Hi, in this video, I will show you how to join the Battle of Yields using a couple of simple steps. First, open Google Chrome and go to battleofyields.com. Click on Join Now and a QR code will be displayed. On your mobile phone, open the MyR app and click on the middle button with the Elrond logo. Then click on Wallet Connect and scan the QR code displayed on your laptop. Approve the connection, and then you'll notice on your laptop display that the connection was finalized. In the wallet field, you will see that the address of the wallet you have in MyR will be filled in automatically in the wallet field. It's recommended to use a different address, so let's make a new wallet really quick. Open a new tab and type in wallet.elrond.com. Go through the required steps, click on Create Wallet, accept terms and conditions, click on Continue. The 24 words phrase will be generated and I will save it in a safe place. I confirm I saved the phrase and I click Continue. I will fill in the 3 words required and I will click Continue. I'll fill in the wallet password and that's it. The wallet was generated and the JSON file has been automatically downloaded on my laptop. Click on Access Wallet, drag and drop the downloaded file in the designated field and fill in the password chosen earlier. And right now, you're connected to your new wallet. On the left side, click on Receive to access the address of the wallet. Copy the address and go back to the page where you were subscribing to Battle of Yields. Replace the automatically filled in address. Fill in your Telegram user. Click Submit, and that's it. The subscription is finalized now. Good luck, everyone, and thank you.